Hello and welcome, members of the State Bar of Texas. You might have noticed, either from an announcement or by logging into Fastcase, that you have a new pop-up over here on the right side of the screen. This pop-up is announcing your new member benefit. As a part of your Fastcase benefit, you can now access briefs, pleadings, motions, and orders from Docket Alarm through Fastcase. How do you take advantage of this benefit? Once you have viewed the announcement, close it by clicking on the X in the upper right-hand corner. From the home page of Fastcase, in the center of the screen, you'll see the search box. On the right end of the search box, you'll see jurisdictions and sources. Click on that button to set your jurisdiction. To see the new content, you would select Texas on the left, and then briefs, pleadings, and orders down here on the bottom right. Once you've made that selection, click Save and Continue. Now you can enter whatever search phrase you have in mind for searching briefs, pleadings, motions, or orders. For this example, we are going to use the phrase summary judgment. I've placed it in quotes because I want that exact phrase. Once I've entered my phrase, I hit the orange search button. This will take me to the results page. Please note, it may take a moment for your results to load because they are being pulled directly from the Docket Alarm system so that you get the latest motions, briefs, pleadings, etc. that are available. Now that my results have loaded, I now have an option to go through close to 1 million results for my particular search. If I need to, I can adjust my search phrase here at the top of the page and run the search again. Once I've located a document that I'm interested in viewing, I can click on that document and view that document right here in Fastcase, just like any other search. I'll still have my list of results here on the left-hand side of the screen, and on the right, I can see the full text of the document I've selected. I can zoom in or out on my document, and I can download my document or print it depending on how I need to view that document. To download, I would use this download icon right here, and as you can see, the document has downloaded to my browser. I can then print, email, save it, whatever I'd like to do with that document. I can also, if my document has more than one page, jump to the next page in that document. I hope this video has been helpful, showing you the basics of accessing briefs, pleadings, motions, and orders for the State Bar of Texas members. Please let us know if you have any questions. Reach out to support@fastcase.com. That's SUPPORT @fastcase.com.